This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very good, simple application which you can use AI application here. So at the top here, you can generate AI or AI images from prompt. You have the ability as well to edit your photos using prompt as well, and or using your AI tool, I should say. You have other filters which you can use with this application. Some of them you may see a crown icon, so these pretty much mean you need a subscription to use those. But the rest of these, some of them are free, the ones that you don't see with your crown icon. So most of these are just some filters which you can use as well. All you have to do is just select the one that you want. As you can see, a lot of them which you can use, and some of these are some other ones that other people have created on the application as well. So let's say, for example, I want to use the art style option here. Just all I have to do is just tap on the option and upload a photo, and it will pretty much select the option, as you can see here, the style, and it will turn that image into the same style that I've selected. Very simple. So it's a very decent and simple AI application which I would recommend any one of you guys to use. So you have a lot of other ones down here as well which you can use, but these are pretty much what other people have generated on the application. So let's say, for example, this one here, I do tap on this, it will give me the prompt, not the image. It will give me the prompt, and I can tap on this here to use this and create something similar. Won't guarantee you guys if you're gonna get the same thing, but you're gonna get something close to it. So that's really pretty much it for that, for the application itself. So the other features in the My Art section, this is pretty much where all their AI generative images or image that you've edited will pretty much show. So that's pretty much it. And if I tap on this at the top here, over here, be able to remove ads. Although I don't see much ads on this application, but if you want to get the remove ads feature, you can get it as well. So if I tap on the plus icon here, I'll be able to generate image. As you can see, I can generate image from a prompt. And down here, I go ahead and select the style that I want. So I'm just going to generate a simple image. I'm going to generate a cat. I was going to generate a cat, but that's what I'm going to generate. I'm going to tap on this option here, and I'm going to select this option here, this style. So these are all the styles available. Do keep in mind, if you don't have subscription, the ones that with the crown icon, you're going to need subscription to use those. So the only ones you will be able to use are the ones without the crown icon at the top. So yeah. So with that said, now you can also tap on this option here to select the aspect ratio. As you can see here, some of these aspect ratio will need a subscription as well. So do keep that in mind. And you can also remove certain things that you don't want into the image by adding it here, but you're going to need subscription to unlock that feature. So once you have entered your prompt, you're pretty much good to go. Let's tap on this here, and it will start generating. While that's generating, you can tap on the edit option over here. So this pretty much change anything in the image that you have. As you can see, you can describe what you want to change. Let's say I want to change Pro to VPN, for example. Just something simple. And it will change the Pro at the end here to VPN. I'm sorry, I didn't specifically set it to change the whole thing, but you get what I'm saying, guys. So that's pretty much it to that there. So I should have said the Insider Pro, change it to Insider Pro VPN. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. But that's pretty much how you use the edit feature here. And as you can see here, this is pretty much the generated image from the cat option. And once you select the image, you can just tap on the image and tap on the save option here. And as well, you're going to have a watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, you pretty much have to get your subscription. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to get their subscription. As you can see here, the prices of their subscription are weekly and the yearly subscription. So as you can see here, what to be getting as it relates to their subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next one.